guys, it's your girl Damo, and I'm back to bring you guys a new video. So let's get right into it. And if I sound like I am losing my voice, if I'm sniffling, if you hear me cough, what have you, yes, I am sick. So yeah. So today I got a package from and I took them out the box. I already looked at them, but I just wanted to show you guys the packaging because their packaging is A1. So END is an overseas company from the UK, and I was able to hit on one of their raffles. So this is what it looks like. It actually comes with your receipt and this nice like packaging. I think their packaging, whoever does this, is A1. It has the receipt in here all nicely put, and you also get a card, a thank you card that's signed also. So that's what comes in this little envelope. Baby, she's gonna be struggling through this video because my voice is going down. But let's get right into what's the goodies. I was able to hit on another pair of Salehe Bembury Crocs, and this pair is the Sasquatch, whatever. But I was able to hit on these, and this time we're trying this one more again. We're gonna try this one more again. I got this is a US men's size 4. So my other pair was a US men's size 6. I'll link the video up above. Please watch that video. Sizing is off on these, as I've said plenty of times. I actually made another video comparing my regular Crocs to these Crocs, but yeah. So this time I went with the size 4, and I hope these fit a little bit better, or better. Hell, I hope they fit, period. But yeah, let's get right into them. Woo. These are what they look like. I love this pair. I love this pair because I am a person who wears a lot of black. I love black. Black is my favorite shade. I know black is not a color, it's a shade. Black is my favorite color, so I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these. At first I didn't want them because I have the my black foam runners, but I don't really wear my black foam runners that much, so I wanted a pair of all black Crocs. So when I hit on these, I was like, give them to me. But backstory on these. So I entered 2 raffles. I entered one raffle for Crocs, and I entered another raffle for END. I actually hit on the Crocs raffle first, and my bank played me because they thought it was actually they thought it was fraud, so they flagged the fucking raffle. I was tight. I was sick. Like, imagine you in a movie theater, you watching Black Panther, you hit on the raffle, you don't even look at your phone. That's exactly what happened. I was in the movies, I was watching Black Panther. Now y'all know that movie is about 2.5 hours. Didn't look at my phone. I won the raffle. My bank sent me a text like, oh, is this you or is this not you making the purchase? I didn't even see none of it, so lost my spot at the raffle. But then the following day, which was Sunday, END came through for your girl on a size 4. So I'm super excited. I'm super happy. I just pray, fingers crossed, that these fit perfectly. They look, honestly, they look small enough to fit, like perfect fit. These are giving me my exact size vibes. So if I was you trying to get them, go a size down or go a half size down. I know people are saying they fit perfect. How are you going size down? And that. Everyone's foot is different. My foot, small, narrow. The size 6 didn't work. So this time I went 2 sizes down. Let's see how I did. But as you guys already seen, this is how they look. I'm not gonna go in too heavy on, you know, how features and things like that. If you want to see that, you can watch my other video when I scored my first pair of Salehe Bembury Crocs, Pollock's clogs. So this is what they look like. I'm super happy to have these. So again, this is my win for the Pollock's clogs in the Sasquatch colorway. So I'm super excited to have these. I love black, so it's a win-win for me. So these are what they look like. So let's get into this on foot, and we're gonna see if me sizing down 2 sizes was a win, or was it a lose, or are they too tight, are they too small, do they fit just right? We'll see. So let's get right into the on foot. Let's go.
Say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow.
Riding with my twin and and we all look good as fuck. She said she my op, but I don't know her, had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it, bitch, I'm good as fuck. I've been on these bitches next so long, sometimes I fucking stuck. I can put you in my business, you might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open, keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then get some sleep, you know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's why my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak dog ho, I don't care what no bitch say. I say on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me, who said that you can't hold? That nigga a munchin', he gon' eat me like a mango. Long ass sweep, it be tickling my ass crack. Wonder what I do tomorrow that these hoes will be mad at. Oh yeah, bitch is sweet, and I always get my lick boo. I thought for my bitches and I'm fighting over this dick too.
Say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow.
Well, thank you guys for joining me in my unboxing for my Pollock's clog. So as always, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Whoa. Before I exit, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, please. Your girl would appreciate it. So just make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. So